Best Metal Detectors. Are you looking for the best metal detectors? In this video we will look at 8 of the best metal detectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Garrett ACE 300 Metal Detector. For the average hobbyist, the Garrett ACE 300 is packed with features and controls designed to enhance your metal detecting experience. With this device, you'll enjoy expert pinpointing, which helps you accurately center on your target, and precise metal identification. A large screen displays all the essential details, and the water-resistant coil is ideal for beach searches. The detector also offers 5 search modes tailored to different materials, such as small iron relics and precious metal jewelry. Additionally, the package includes a few useful accessories, such as headphones with volume control, a protective cover, and a search coil cover. The ACE 300 operates at an 8 kHz frequency and has a detection range of up to 10 inches, which is sufficient for locating low to medium depth targets like coins and lost rings. You can also upgrade to a larger coil if needed. Number 2. PANCKY Metal Detector. At $150, the PANCKY metal detector offers excellent value for money compared to some of the pricier models. It features 5 modes: metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpointer, and includes a waterproof search coil capable of detecting objects up to 10 inches underground, with some ability to function in shallow water. However, some Amazon reviewers have reported issues with excessive beeping when used near wet ground. The large LCD screen provides clear information on the distance to an object and its material type. The detector also comes with several useful accessories, including headphones, a detection bag, a backpack, and a small shovel for retrieving finds. With nearly 3,000 5-star reviews on Amazon, many users describe it as reliable and user-friendly. Number 3. Nokta Simplex BT Metal Detector. If you're new to metal detecting, investing in a quality detector that includes all the necessary accessories can be a smart move. The Nokta Simplex BT is highly regarded for its comprehensive package, which includes a digger, fines pouch, leg holster, and cap. Reddit users often recommend Nokta as a solid choice for beginners, appreciating its modern features. The Simplex BT offers Bluetooth connectivity, lighting for low visibility conditions, and is water resistant up to 16 feet, according to the manufacturer. An Amazon review praised it with 5 stars for easy setup, and a Reddit user commented, "I bought a Simplex Ultra about a month ago. Works great. Found all kinds of things on my property and at the beach down the road." Some Amazon reviews suggest thoroughly reading the user manual, as remembering all the settings can be challenging and may cause confusion. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, consider our best value pick instead of spending nearly $300 on this model. Number 4. RICOMAX Kids Metal Detector. If your child loves beach outings, enhance their experience with a junior metal detector that can grow with them. This lightweight detector features an adjustable stem that extends from 24 to 35 inches, and both the handle and search coil are waterproof, allowing them to explore the shoreline and discover hidden treasures beneath the waves. With a simple one-press operation and a clear LCD display, this detector is user-friendly. Priced just under $80, it also includes a shovel, trowel, and carrying case. The 7.4-inch search coil is perfect for finding coins and precious metal objects. The detector boasts a cool design and holds the Amazon's Choice badge with a solid 4.4 star rating. Reviewers have reported that children and grandchildren enjoy using it at the beach, park, or in their own backyards. One 5-star review noted, "My 8-year-old boy and his friends loved it. They ran around the campground searching for treasure and even took it into the shallow river." Overall, this metal detector makes a great gift for kids, adding excitement to their outdoor adventures. However, some Amazon reviewers mentioned that it may not be as durable as adult models and can occasionally give false alarms when no treasure is found. Number 5. Garrett ACE Apex Metal Detector. Every treasure hunter dreams of finding a gold mine, and the Garrett Metal Detector's ACE Apex brings the dream closer to reality. It features a large, backlit display and offers 6 detection modes: coins, US coins, jewelry, relics, and a custom setting where you can save your preferred frequency. It also includes a pinpoint mode for precise location targeting. The ACE Apex employs multi-flex technology to switch between low and high frequencies, enhancing your ability to detect larger coins or gold nuggets. The iron audio function helps you identify unwanted items, like bottle caps, while the notch discrimination feature filters out certain frequencies to avoid detecting scrap metal. With its array of features, however, it may be a bit complex for the average user. Number 6. Minelab Vanquish 440 Multi. A beach trip can turn into an adventure with the Minelab Vanquish 440. Its multi-frequency technology is designed for use in saltwater environments, making it effective for discovering lost items near the shoreline. However, it is only water-resistant up to about 3 feet, so avoid fully submerging it. The Vanquish 440 offers 4 search modes, each utilizing different frequencies suited for various environments. For instance, park mode is ideal for navigating high trash areas, while field mode is better for coin hunting. You can save your preferred settings for future use. Weighing just 2.6 pounds, it's lightweight and comfortable to use for extended periods. Some Amazon reviewers have mentioned that it didn't detect as many valuable items as expected. Number 7. XP DEUS Metal Detector. If you're looking to go deeper than with a standard metal detector, the XP DEUS Metal Detector is capable of detecting objects up to 11 inches deep. It uses 35 frequencies to locate a wide range of objects and materials, and offers 9 modes to choose from. XP is recognized as a leading brand in recent years, as noted in various Reddit threads, and many Amazon reviewers agree, praising the detector's lightweight design and advanced features. One 5-star review captured the sentiment perfectly. I've had it for nearly 2 years, with no battery issues and flawless performance. I would give it 10 stars if I could. While it is pricier than other models on this list, it's worth the investment for deeper searches, thanks to its extended notch discrimination range. Your purchase also includes a remote control, a hip mount case for the remote, and full-sized wireless headphones. Additionally, it comes with a 5-year warranty for peace of mind. Number 8. Garrett Pro-Pointer II. While not a full metal detector, this pinpointer is extremely useful for precisely locating your finds before you start digging. When activated, it uses a focused detection field to filter out interference from mineralized ground and wet beach sand, helping you pinpoint larger targets more accurately. Used alongside your metal detector, it can save time and increase your chances of finding more treasures. This model is weatherproof, allowing you to dip the tip in water, though the entire device should not be submerged. With an average 4.7-star rating from over 1,000 Amazon reviews, users praise its durability, quality, and accuracy. Some reviewers have returned to Garrett for replacements, using this pinpointer to find coins and other targets. Its compact size makes it easy to transport, and it's priced just over $100.